Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of positivity and personal growth with a book that has inspired millions around the globe. Stay tuned as we explore The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. So, let's dive into the summary of this incredible book. But before we dive into the content, I kindly request a moment of your time to appreciate this video by liking it, subscribing to the channel, and ringing that notification bell. Your support means a lot to me. Thanks a lot. In a world full of challenges and uncertainties, the power of positive thinking can be a guiding light that helps us navigate through life's ups and downs. Today, we delve into the timeless wisdom of Norman Vincent Peale's classic book, The Power of Positive Thinking. Published in 1952, The Power of Positive Thinking has since become a landmark in the self-help genre, inspiring millions to cultivate a positive mindset and transform their lives for the better. Written by minister and author Norman Vincent Peale, the book imparts valuable advice on how to harness the power of positive thinking to overcome obstacles, achieve success, and live a fulfilling life. The power of positive thinking will show you that the roots of success lie in the mind and teach you how to believe in yourself, break the habit of worrying, and take control of your life by taking control of your thoughts and changing your attitude. Norman Vincent Peale was an American minister and author and one of the world's most widely recognized motivational speakers in the 20th century. His most popular book, The Power of Positive Thinking, has sold over 5 million copies worldwide and takes a Christian perspective and real-world approach to positive psychology. Since Peale wasn't a scientist, many mental experts disregarded the ideas from his book, and it received a lot of both favorable and highly critical feedback. However, it's hard to deny the real-world impact his ideas have had, he himself being living proof that they work. After a long and by any measure successful life, he died at age 95 on Christmas Eve in 1993. It's not every day that you get to learn from someone who's received the Presidential Medal of Freedom. So let's not waste time, shall we? Here are 3 lessons to help you think more positively. I trust you will find them very beneficial. 1. Start with confidence and watch your problems shrink. 2. Your world is nothing more than the thoughts you have about your experiences. 3. In order to live worry-free, first imagine a worry-free life. Let's pump up the positive jam. Lesson 1. Believe in yourself and visualize your goals to see how small your problems are. Yes, confidence is important because if you feel inferior, you'll act inferior. We know confidence alone doesn't solve all problems. After all, it's not the same as competence, and telling a kid who's horrible at math that she's great won't make her study more for the next test. However, the case for believing in yourself that Peale makes is one we've all experienced: the self-fulfilling prophecy. It's a common idea from self-help books, too. Napoleon Hill already addressed it 80 years ago. When you start a new job and go in on the first day, thinking no one will like you, that you'll probably screw up and not fit in well, guess what? You'll behave in a way that makes sure it comes true. Even worse, when you then get the feedback that you were right, this drives even more negative thoughts, thus starting a vicious cycle. It is up to you to actively change your thoughts and believe that you can bring value wherever you go. Peale suggests an exercise to help you do that, which happens to be backed by science. Visualize your goals and the positive outcomes you want. What should your life look like in 6 months? Which goals do you want to achieve? Then, contrast those by visualizing the problems and obstacles that you might face along the way. This is called mental contrasting and has been proven to cause changes in behavior that last for weeks with as little as a few minutes worth of the exercise. Lesson 2. Your attitude determines your entire life. Here is a sentence showcasing the greatness of a quote of this book. Your world is nothing more than the thoughts you have about your experiences. Of course, all the problems in your life are real. And yes, some of them might take a few years to solve, like debt or a serious illness. But how you react to those problems is entirely up to you. You might not be able to solve those problems at the push of a button, but your attitude is something you can change from one second to the next. Your world, your reality, is only determined by what you think about everything you experience in life. For example, if you leave your house tomorrow morning and are almost hit by a car, which breaks at the last second, you can treat this as a bad sign and spend the rest of the day walking around afraid of anything and everything. Alternatively, you can take this experience as a wonderful gift, a miracle even, and live your life to the fullest, enjoying every single second of the day and being grateful. Don't choose negative thoughts when you can choose positive ones. Ever. Lesson 3. Imagine your life free of worry to become less concerned about the future. Here's a super meta hack for worrying less. Imagine yourself as a worry-free person in the future. Just imagining that it is possible for you to live without worry will take a lot of your current worries away. Worry is a major source of stress, and thus often leads to heart disease, arthritis, and other sicknesses which cause your life expectancy to go down. So it is in your best interest to eliminate it wherever possible. Close your eyes, look into the future, and imagine yourself a few months or years from now, living free from all the worries that currently plague you, and you'll feel much better when you open your eyes again. Peale calls this draining your mind, and it's especially helpful before going to sleep, because then positive thoughts will sink into your subconscious instead of negative ones. I'm a huge sucker for positive psychology. It's easy for me to get carried away with it, and I've spent many years just sitting around, being a massive optimist, but not doing anything to get to where I wanted to be. Eventually, I've gotten my own personal reality check, and now I know it takes more than a bunch of happy thoughts to make stuff happen. However, that hasn't shifted my belief that positive thinking works even an inch. I believe a positive attitude is at the root of every successful person, however you may define that. Those are the individuals who truly deserve to immerse themselves in this extraordinary book. The 31-year-old worrier, who sighs at every potential obstacle. The 57-year-old high performer, who often goes to bed thinking about next day's problems, and anyone who's a pessimist. Peale's central premise is simple yet profound. Our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. By maintaining a positive attitude, we can influence our circumstances, attract abundance, and manifest our dreams into reality. Through anecdotes, practical tips, and affirmations, Peale teaches readers how to cultivate optimism, banish negativity, and develop a strong sense of self-belief. One of the key takeaways from the power of positive thinking is the importance of affirmations and visualizations in reprogramming our subconscious mind. By repeating positive affirmations and visualizing our goals with clarity and conviction, we can rewire our thinking patterns and align ourselves with success. Peale also addresses common challenges such as self-doubt, fear, and worry, offering practical techniques to overcome these mental barriers. By replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, practicing gratitude, and surrounding ourselves with uplifting influences, we can cultivate a mindset of confidence and resilience. The impact of the power of positive thinking extends far beyond its pages, as countless readers have attested to the transformative power of Peale's teachings in their lives. From achieving career success to nurturing fulfilling relationships, the principles outlined in the book have empowered individuals to overcome adversity and unlock their full potential. Additionally, the power of positive thinking emphasizes the importance of faith and spiritual well-being in cultivating a positive mindset. Peale, a renowned minister, integrates spiritual principles into his teachings, encouraging readers to draw strength and guidance from their beliefs. By nurturing a deep sense of faith and connecting with a higher power, individuals can find inner peace, resilience, and a sense of purpose amidst life's challenges. Moreover, the power of positive thinking underscores the significance of personal responsibility and accountability in shaping our reality. Peale emphasizes that we have the power to choose our thoughts, attitudes, and actions, and thereby influence the outcomes in our lives. By taking ownership of our thoughts and choices, we can empower ourselves to create the life we desire and deserve. One of the most compelling aspects of the power of positive thinking is its timeless relevance and universal appeal. Regardless of one's background, age, or circumstances, the principles outlined in the book offer valuable insights and practical strategies for cultivating positivity and achieving personal growth. From students to professionals, parents to retirees, the wisdom of Norman Vincent Peale transcends boundaries and inspires readers to embark on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. The power of positive thinking stands as a beacon of hope and inspiration in a world often fraught with negativity and doubt. Norman. In conclusion, the power of positive thinking serves as a timeless guide for anyone seeking to cultivate a positive mindset, overcome obstacles, and live their best life. Whether you're facing challenges in your personal or professional life, This book offers a roadmap to greater happiness, success, and fulfillment. Embrace the power of positive thinking and watch as your life transforms in remarkable ways. Vincent Peale's profound insights, uplifting affirmations, and practical guidance continue to resonate with readers across generations, reminding us of the boundless potential that lies within each of us. By embracing the power of positive thinking, we can cultivate a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. As you embark on your journey towards personal growth and transformation, remember the timeless wisdom of Norman Vincent Peale's The Power of Positive Thinking. Embrace positivity, cultivate resilience, and have faith in your abilities to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Let the power of positive thinking guide you towards a brighter, more prosperous future. If you're looking to boost your positivity, overcome self-doubt, and unleash your true potential, The Power of Positive Thinking is a must-read. Dive into this timeless classic and discover the life-changing power of positive thinking. You can find the link to acquire a copy of this incredible book in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you found this book summary helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and insightful content. And share this uplifting summary with someone who may benefit from hearing them. Leave a comment down below if you've read this book or have any other recommendations for us. Until next time, stay awesome and keep learning.